Here we go, BC Mike's 2 more boxes of Totally Certified. Will I get my redemption? Or will I get crushed in the face? Start off number 43 of 50, Mirror Blue of Jack Johnson. 43 of 50. Got a rookie of Tyler Toffoli. And number 59 of 100, Clear Cloth of David Backus. David Backus. Uh-oh. All we need now is what, 21 left? We've got Alex Chason and a autograph rookie of Peter Mrazek. I respectfully decline that number. We've got a Seth Jones and we've got an Elias Lindholm rookie jersey auto. All right, last pack. Let's do some wonders here. Come on. We got a numbered. Oh, really? You're going to do that to me? A Mirror Red Platinum, numbered 15 of 25, Milan McCulloch. I now have a guy who I do not like. 15 of 25. We got a rookie of Jamie Alexiak and a totally certified jersey of Igor Larionov. Mike, you officially suck. Just throwing that out there. Now, I need, what is the other one? 150 something? What was the other number? $159. We got a Ty McGinn rookie and number 38 of 100, Wendell Clark, clear cloth jersey. Yeah, sure it was, buddy. I know how you work. We got a rookie of Matt Dumba and a autograph of Igor Bobkov. Igor Bobkov. Come on. Number 92 of 100, Cam Ward. Mirror Red. We've got a Richard Panik and a rookie jersey auto of Matt Dumba. So what am I at now on this one? Oh, come on. Pull out the upset. Oh, give me a break. Come on. We've got a Mirror Platinum Blue, numbered 9 of 10. This is bull. PK Subban. 9 of 10. PK Subban. We got a rookie of Joakim Nordstrom and a totally certified jersey of Max Pacioretty.